What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out. In this episode, we're heading to a place where they train rodents to detect landmines left over from the war. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without sea. Meet people, live foods, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
And then I have my Tuk Tuk driver from the other day. I took his number. He's gonna bring me over. So let's go. This place is called APOPO. And I actually got the recommendation from someone in a live stream yesterday. I have my buddy here where he's gonna take me. We're here a little bit early. Walk in, there's a front desk here and they're really helpful, and I'd emailed ahead and she already was expecting me, and the tour kicks off in about 10 minutes. So, and there's lots of stuff to look at. There's a display cases with some really cool stuff, so I'll show you that. So here's some actual landmines. Those are all probably examples of ones that were pulled out of the ground in an effort to, clear them all away from the past. And I think they were all probably detected by using rodents that they trained here. These are like grenades. So it's saying this rat here, Magawa, HeroRAT. And it explains what they did here. Over 4 years, he helped clear over 141,000 square meters of land, and he passed away peacefully.
Here you can see our big rats.
So in Cambodia, they're using the rats more to detect the explosive remnants and military stuff, but in other countries like Africa, they can use their nose can even detect TB or tuberculosis.
We have banana and a clicker. Yes, clicker. We click, get a banana. Rat happy, yum yum yum. They love banana. We put TNT powder inside a small tea ball on the ground. We found the smell of TNT, and that's when we click. When they hit a click, they jump and run to get a food banana. Next time you put them on the ground, you go straight to find the TNT.
She was telling us they train the rats to associate the smell of TNT with food, like bananas, through training. And the rats are not heavy enough to blow up a landmine if they walked on it. So when they walk over one, they smell the TNT and they associate that with food from their training. So they start scratching on the ground, and then that's when they know there's one right there.
Can we move to that side, please? He's the biggest rat here. But please don't take the rat now, not yet.
Okay. Wow. So he's tied to a string from both sides, and he goes back and forth. That's pretty good.
Yeah, you see, start digging now. Banana. Yum yum. Yeah, see, start digging again. Of it's peanut. We need to put sunscreen on the tail and the ears.
Yeah, and he was letting us know the reason they can't just use a metal detector going through these fields is because there's tons of scrap metal. There's like bullets and old pieces of metal, and they'd be there for hours and hours and weeks just finding scrap metal instead of the actual landmines. So it's way more efficient to use the rats and their trained nose to find the TNT and all the different things. So we're heading over now. They said that we could hold the rats. So I'm gonna hold one. So we're lining up. We have to wash our arms and our hands first, because in case you have mosquito spray or sunscreen, you don't want to get that onto the rats. So we came into the little cafe they have here. You can buy refreshments and stuff, and there's washrooms here so we can wash our arms and get ready to hold some rats. Where they live in here.
Playground.
Is this their playground or where they work out and
Like a ninja rat.
get exercise? So at the end of the tour, they have some informational videos we're going to all sit down and watch and learn about the organization and the rats here. So they showed us a lot of really cool informative videos that they have on their YouTube channel. So you could go look up APOPO on YouTube and see the ones I just watched. Little animated, really cool videos. And there's one interesting factoid. They told us that like the area the size of a tennis court would take maybe 4 days for a metal detector, but it only takes a half an hour for the rats to clear a space the size of a tennis court. And on top of that, they're not finding scrap metal every 2 seconds and things that aren't even explosives. And they've got souvenirs you can get. At HeroRATs is all their social media. Alright, so now we just gotta head out front and find the Tuk Tuk guy who's waiting for me. He's gonna bring me over to the third hotel, the hostel, and I'm getting on a night bus after that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.